You need to restore a WordPress page that got messed up, and the way to do it is to restore the page from a previous version. Start on your WordPress login screen, enter your username or email, then your password, and click Login. When the dashboard loads, you're ready. On the left side of the dashboard, click Pages, then All Pages. You'll see the full list of pages on the website. Find the page that got messed up, About Us, Services, Home, whatever it is, hover over the title and click Edit. The editor opens with the current messed up version on screen. Before you touch a single block, leave it alone. If you start making changes now, you bury the old version and make the problem harder to see. Now look at the right sidebar of the editor. Depending on your WordPress version, that settings panel lives under Page or Post Settings, and you may need to click the Page tab first. Scroll through it until you see Revisions. WordPress usually shows it as a number, like 5 revisions or revisions 12. Click that link. The revision screen opens. This is where WordPress keeps saved copies of your content. If you don't see revisions, click the Page tab first. If the link still isn't there, the page might only have one saved version, or your host may have disabled revisions entirely. On the revision screen, you'll see the current version at one end and older saved copies behind it. Look at the author, date, and time under each one. Move backward through the timeline. Let's say the current version is from 11:30 this morning, and below it you have yesterday at 4:30, 3:15, and 2:10. If your page looked correct at 2:10, select that one. Do not just grab the oldest revision. The version you want is the most recent one before the problem happened. For example, if the services page looked right at 9, you added a new section at 10, deleted several blocks at 10:30, and noticed the mess at 11, you restore the 9 o'clock version, not something from last month. Once you select an earlier version, WordPress highlights the differences between that revision and the current version. Deleted content and added content show up in different ways depending on your editor. Scroll through the page and look specifically for missing paragraphs, deleted images, changed headings, removed buttons, changed links, or layout changes. I always compare the main content area first because that's where the damage usually is. If you aren't sure when the problem happened, use the revision navigation controls to go older or newer. They sit at the top of the screen or near the timeline. Click older to step back one version and watch the highlights update. Keep moving until you find the first version where the page looks right again. Before you click Restore this revision, check the current messed up version for anything you might want to keep. If there's a paragraph or block you added recently and still need, select that text now and copy it into a plain text document. Once you have that, click Restore this revision. WordPress loads the older version back into the editor. Restoring it does not delete the newer revisions, so you can come back and pick a different version if you change your mind. Now review the restored page from top to bottom. Check headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, links, columns, and spacing. If an image shows as a broken placeholder, restoring the page revision does not bring back a media file that was deleted from the media library separately. Hover over buttons and links to check where they point. Then check the right sidebar again for the page slug and visibility because the content comes back, but page settings like the URL may not match the old version. When the restored version looks correct, click Update. That saves this older version as the current page. Once the update finishes, click View Page or Preview. Look at the live page as a visitor would. Check images, buttons, links, and spacing. Then open a new incognito or private browser window and visit the page URL. That shows you what a regular visitor sees without your logged-in admin bar. After that, check the mobile layout. Resize the window down to phone width or open the page on your phone. Columns and buttons are the things that break most often on mobile, so pay attention there. If you deleted the entire page instead of messing up the content, go back to Pages, click Trash, find the page, hover over it, and click Restore. That brings the deleted page back to your page list. Revisions handle content changes. Trash handles whole page deletion. If the page is no longer in trash, open your hosting control panel or backup plugin and restore the last backup from before the mistake. If revisions were missing earlier, open a different page and check the right panel there. If no page shows a revisions link, revisions have been disabled, usually by a performance plugin or a WP config file setting. In that case, you won't find a previous version inside WordPress, so go to your host's backup system or your backup plugin and restore from there. If this got your page back, give it a like, subscribe so you have the same fix the next time an edit goes wrong, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people who just messed up a page.